Hi, my name is Carlo, and I'm an iRobot field marketing representative. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Braava 380T. So let's get started. Alright, so let's open up the box here. So in the box, let's start with the robot, packed up nice and neat here. So we have the robot itself, as well as a multi-surface cleaning pad, which you can use with the wet mopping cloth or the dry sweeping cloth. And here we have the robot itself. It features a maximized edge design, which helps the robot get into corners and along edges, and soft bumpers here and here, which prevent the robot from scuffing walls and furniture. It also features a cleaning mode button, which means simple operation with no program required. Just attach a cleaning cloth, power on the unit, and then press the sweep button for dry sweeping or mop button for damp mopping. The included magnetic pad allows you to easily attach dry and damp cleaning cloths to use with the appropriate cleaning mode. Alright, so let's go back to the box for the accessories. Let's start with the reusable cleaning cloth. So the box comes with one each and they're color coded. A blue one here for damp mopping and a white one for dry sweeping. Next, let's go with the North Star navigation cube. So this allows the robot to navigate around your home. You can also add additional North Star navigation cubes if you want to sweep a larger space. It also comes with C batteries for your initial use. Now let's go with the Pro Clean Reservoir Pad. Use this for mopping exclusively. You can either add water or our Braava cleaning solution as well if you want to leave your floors with a fresh scent. Up next is the turbo charging cradle and charging cable here. So it uses a standard 110 or 220. So you can use this cable to charge the Braava directly, or use what we recommend, the turbo charging cradle. Alright, so let's take a look at some of the documents that also come with the robot. So here we have a safety notice, then the quick start guide, followed by the owner's manual, and then some warranty information. Oh yeah, and then we also do have a sticker just here, just reminding you to register your robot. And that was everything that comes with the box of the Braava 380T. For even more information about how this robot works and why it'd be a great fit for you, take a look at our other videos covering the Braava 380T as well. Thanks for watching.